Hello folks, Wes here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have this Vauxhall Vivaro van. It's come in for an upgrade. Needed a little bit of help because the basic radio in here wasn't very good. So we fitted a Kenwood 9-inch flush unit. The guy wanted a large screen but didn't want it floating, so this time it's done flush with a proper fitting kit. Steering wheel controls are working. This has now got Apple CarPlay wireless or wired, Android Auto. We've also added a reverse camera into this, so now he's got a lovely quality large picture, so he's not going to bump the van. And then we've added a subwoofer and some tweeters and some mids in here, and overall it's absolutely lovely. Now this product is available from us, which is B&B Audio Concepts. We're based in Cardiff, 02920 707 275. And this now comes with a 3-year warranty because it's been fitted by an approved authorized center. Okay, so get in touch if you like something like this. It's all touch screen. You can imagine it's pretty good. All right, bye-bye.